Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use emojis on PC or laptop. So if you also want to use emojis on PC or laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you might want to use the emoji whenever you're creating the post or texting someone. If you open platform like Discord, Messenger, Instagram, you'll be able to see the emoticon icon right next to the message bar. If you click on it, from here you'll be able to use the emoji. But this icon may not be available for you all the time. If you want to use the emojis, all you have to do is press on the Windows key and period key at the same time. After that, emoji box will pop up. Simply select the emoji that you want to use. Click on the emoji that you want to use. After you've selected all the emojis, simply click anywhere that you want. After that, the emoji box will be disappeared. Now you can see over here, you just use the emoji. So that is how you use emojis on PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.